I guess we are live now. Let's wait for a few more minutes and let's do a quick review. What's happening? I guess we are live now. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Let's do a quick review. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ತೊಗೊಳಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗೋಣ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ Okay, pause now. So now it's step up now.
What's this, bro? I don't understand. Someone is saying something in the chat. Alright, let's wait for 2 more minutes and we'll start. Bye, bro. Bye, Titne. Bye. Grill. Grill book. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, year is coming to end. It's almost ended now. We're in the last few more minutes, few more hours left. So yeah, let's do a quick review about what I have accomplished this year, what was my learnings and so on. I hope you all hit your target, hit your checklist. So before getting started, let's check out like what all I have listed on the year. Do a quick review. Before that, let me open the checklist, like what I have listed in the last minute. What am I doing? Where is that? Did I unpublish that? Not sure. Let me check. Not sure, for some reason it's not populating. Never mind, let's do this from editor itself. So in the beginning of 2021, I have made a few checklists. That is like I had to get good with React, Evolve library, and so on. Let's not get it here. So let's see what all I have accomplished. So okay, let's come to the development part. Well, this year was like I would say it's the year of growth for me. Like I have managed to I'm kind of getting emotional. I have mixed feelings over here. Well, I haven't prepared, so this will be a random shit. What? Never mind. I might make few mistakes here. So yeah, coming to 2021. Let's see. Coming to development part, I learned TypeScript in the beginning. I mean, which I hated in the beginning, but I got really comfortable with that, and I'm in love with that. There is no way going back to normal JavaScript. So if I bootstrap any project, that will be within TypeScript itself. Next is like next is like I wanted to try backend. So I got my hands on with OneStack and managed to finish a POC for mutual fund application, which helped me in landing a job interview. But although I could not clear that interview since I was not looking for change first thing, and my problem solving skills were not that great, so I could not solve few of the DSA questions, so I could not clear that interview. So yeah, it was a good learning experience. Well, I have not applied to this job. A recruiter reached out to me, so that's a great thing. I can show you like what I have built. What's that POC? So this is just a simple mutual fund application. You get a list of all the mutual funds. You can track by year. You can check its returns. Just like kind of if you have used Grow, you will come to know what I'm talking. You'll get all the historic data. Well, ignore this data. It's not correct. So yeah, it has all the CRUD functionalities. Yeah, and that was a great build. Well, that was the first time I tried OneStack. And in the January 2021, in Jan, participated in ETH Denver Hackathon, and yeah, we won the prize. So that was a major turning point in our company's history. So we got pivoted from our previous project and focused full time on this. So yeah, this was like a major milestone in our company's history as well. So that went good. Also, if I go back to my checklist, so explore backend. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with this. What happened? Okay. Pet project. I wanted to build a pet project. So yeah. Also, I mentioned like I have to build my own design system. It's not like design system. Basically, it's a component library. So yeah, we are working on that right now. I built. It's not complete yet. So it's a design system which is used across our company's product. So I'm very proud of that. Yeah, that's going great. And also, yeah, I started learning in public. That is like recently, maybe after in November, I guess I started live streaming, and yeah, I could not believe it. I got a lot of recruiters are reaching out to me on LinkedIn nowadays. So yeah, that helped me in getting job interviews. So that went great. And also in December, I took a freelancing project. Although I have a guilt feel that I could not give my 100% there because of time commitments. It's not yet done, but yeah, I'm working on it. So it gave me a chance to explore DevOps part, which was pretty new to me. So yeah, I'm exploring AWS. all the instances. There are plenty of services in AWS, so it was a great exposure. It's like a quick intro to DevOps, which I enjoyed it. But yeah, I have to work on that. Just give me a second, guys. I don't know how is the stream held. Let me check that. Also, someone in the chat, I don't know what he's saying. Geo stuff first time. I don't understand what's exactly what that means. Okay, yeah, that was about the development part. So TypeScript backend and hackathon, worked on design system, full stack application, started learning in public, and a freelancing project. That was a major highlight. Coming to personal life, it sucks. I had a major heartbreak in the year beginning. So yeah, I was kind of in a depression state. I don't want to talk more about that. Yeah, even at that time I could not focus more on my work. I could not give my 100%, so I had this guilt feeling like I was doing injustice to my job. So yeah, things got better in second half. Started hitting gym, I made new friends, and best thing is I met my team members for the first time. It's been almost 1.5 years working remote. Ours is a remote first company, so it's very rare. And yeah, we don't have office. We'll be working out of co-working spaces. We'll be meeting out. So yeah, met my team members for the first time. That was really good thing. Next is I started reading more. I started reading books. So this year I had a checklist of completing 2 books, but I managed to finish 3, which was great. Yeah. Then yeah, this is a major milestone. I dropped out of my master's degree. I have enrolled in I don't know which year was that. It was not going great, and yeah, I was learning more in my work, so I could not work. Thought it was not. I don't recommend anyone to drop out, but it was not working out for me, so I just dropped out, and I'm getting to learn more in my work. So yeah, I don't recommend anyone. So what are the learnings? It's quite dramatic here. I'll leave a link to I'll leave this link here in the description so that you guys can check it out. It's yeah, this is based on my experience. You'll only realize the importance of someone when they are gone. Yeah, it's a hard lesson. So learn to let it go. One of the major things which I realized is real social life matters in online ones. Yeah, that's pretty true. You're pretty much active on social media, but do you have anyone to share in your real life? Do you have any real friends? That's a question. And so yeah, human can continue with sorry. Yeah, learning is never-ending process. You have to, in order to stand out, you have to keep hustling. You have to keep on learning, upgrading yourself. That brings out a number of opportunities. So never stop learning. Next is sharing what I know and seeking answers to the questions that make me more curious. Okay, it doesn't sound good when I read that. You guys can check that later on. Yeah, materialism is a huge issue. We often run behind this materialistic desires. I'm not telling it's wrong, but yeah, we should try to avoid that as much as possible. Yeah, we should. One thing I realized is you grow when you help others. So yeah, support and uplift others genuinely without any expectation. Yeah, that's very important. What's next? Yeah, having courage to be disliked. Sorry, what I'm saying. Have a courage to be disliked, and don't settle for less than what you deserve. There's a hard lesson you can apply in many ways. Coming to design and some other creating stuffs, well, I could not focus much on design this year, although I have designed our flagship product, which I'm working on, that is Sapient, which we are about to hit the market soon. So I have designed that entire UI thing. So I was more into development, I would say. So I could not focus much, so I dropped design this year. And also I started streaming, live streaming in public, which helped me in getting more interviews. I mean, I got the offers. This year I turned down three offers, which was like way beyond the industry standard. It's like 1.5x to 2x of my current salary. So yeah, I was quite satisfied with my current job, and I'm just waiting for the time. Just like a reward will be there. We have worked really hard on our flagship product, so I'm just waiting. Let's see what's there. Where are my learnings? What learnings? Like focusing on non-transactional things. Yeah, this is quite deep. I could not explain in the right tone, but you guys can read this. Before that, let's check the chat. Rachana, hey Rachana, what's up? I guess you got your salary today. Know that. So yeah, if your salary is credited, then just order me food, buy me food. I hope you know my address. So 13 playbacks and 2 concurrent viewers. That's great. Okay. No, I was kidding. I have ordered. It's delivered. Maybe you can order next time, some other time. So what do we have here? What are my learnings? It's quite. I can't read this. Well, I'll leave a link to this article. You guys can check this out. It's quite dramatic. I don't want to spoil the mood. Yeah, that was a quick overview. In the coming year, I don't have any resolutions, but just want to stay fit. And focus more on my mental health. That's a top priority for 2022, I would say. And guys, I have to go now. So yeah, that's all. Once again, thanks for joining, guys. Happy New Year.